Om Namah Shivaya, welcome to my channel. Let's practice classical yoga today. This is a short practice for intermediate practitioner who are able to go into the headstand. So let's sit comfortably on our yoga mat, cross our legs, hands in chin mudra, keeping the back straight, chin parallel to the floor. Let's chant Om 3 times together. Inhale. Om. Om. Let's begin by standing on top of our mat. Prepare for SURYA NAMASKAR 2 rounds. So with our feet together, standing tall, palms facing front. Now take a deep breath here. Inhale. And as we exhale, palms together in front of our chest. Inhale, arms up, expand the chest. Feel the stretch on the upper back. As we exhale, lengthen the back. Slowly lower down, hands beside your feet, head towards your knees or your shin. Inhale, right leg back, knees down, chin forward. Now tuck our toes, bring the other leg back, retain our breath in plank, 1 straight line. Exhale, knees, chest, chin or forehead down. Inhale into cobra, expanding our chest. Exhale, tuck our toes, inverted V, feet together. Inhale, right foot forward between the palms, left foot relax. And exhale, tuck our toes, bring the other leg forward, weight on your toes, forehead towards the shin. Inhale, reaching far. Stretch, 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 expanding our chest towards the sky. Breathing and exhale, lower the hands down. Left side, inhale. Exhale, prayer position. Inhale, reach our arms up, expand our chest. Where the head is between the arms. Do not overextend your lower back. Feel the stretch on the upper back. Exhale, lengthen the trunk and coming all the way down, keeping the weight on your toes, hands beside the feet and forehead towards the knees or shin. Inhale, left leg back, palms down and chin forward. Feel the stretch. Tuck our toes, other leg back, retain our breath, 1 long line. Exhale, knees, chest, chin or forehead down. Keep the arms close to our body. Inhale, going into cobra, expanding the chest. Exhale, inverted V, draw the hips up and lower the heels down. Feel the stretch. Inhale, left foot forward, right knee down, chin forward. And exhale, tuck our toes, bring the other leg forward and forehead towards the shin. Inhale, reaching far. Stretch, stretch, stretch. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale, prayer position. Inhale, reaching the arms up. Expand our chest. Shine chest towards the sky. Exhale, fall forward, lengthening the upper body. And slowly lower the hands down beside the feet. Bring the abdomen closer to your thighs. Inhale, right leg back, left knee in line with your ankle. Now tuck your toes, other leg back. Retain our breath in plank, 1 long line. Exhale, knees, chest, chin or forehead down. Inhale into cobra, heels touching, expanding the chest. Exhale, tuck out toes, draw the hips up, feel the stretch on the back part of the body. Breathing. Inhale, right leg forward, feel the stretch on the left thighs. And exhale, tuck your toes, other leg forward, weight on your toes, standing forward bend. Inhale, reaching far, stretch, stretch, stretch. And exhale. Last round, left side, inhale. Exhale, prayer position. Inhale, lengthen, expand the chest. Feel the stretch in the upper back. Keep the head between the arms. As we exhale, lengthen the trunk. Keep lengthening, folding forward. Abdomen closer to our thighs, hands beside the feet. And inhale, left foot back, knees down, chin forward or up. Now tuck our toes, other leg back, retain our breath in plank. Aware of your alignment. And exhale, knees, chest, chin or forehead down. Inhale into cobra. Keep the arms close to our body, heels touching. Exhale, inverted V, draw the hips up and gently lower the heels down. Inhale, left foot forward, right knee down, feel the stretch on the right thigh, open up the chest. Exhale, tuck your toes, other leg forward, weight on your toes, feel the stretch. Inhale, reaching far, stretch, stretch, stretch. And exhale, relax the arms. Feel your breath. Feel the benefit of the SURYA NAMASKAR, sun salutation. Now slowly separate your feet. Stand in Tadasana, mountain pose. Relax the neck, the shoulders, the arms. Breathing, breathing, breathing. Slowly go into the child's pose, Balasana. Feel the stretch on our mid and lower back. Breathe deeply into our lower back. And bring our mind back to our body. Now slowly measure, shoulder width apart, interlock your fingers, and we slowly go into the headstand, crown on the mat, and slowly bring your legs up at your own pace. At your own pace. Find your center. Remember to press the forearm into the mat. Keeping your shoulders strong, you push your forearm into the mat and feel the space in your neck. And just keep your feet relaxed over your hips and your hips over the shoulders, keeping the body aligned, no arching of the back. Neither do you want to tense your hips. And continue to breathe comfortably, rhythmically. You can focus on one point on your mat, or if you're comfortable, you can also close your eyes. Breathing. Slowly prepare to come down. Bend your knees slowly. And from here, we're going to use the abdominal strength. Bring the knees closer to your chest with control. Slowly lower your toes down, lower the knees down, and return to child's pose. Do not lift the head up and stay in child's pose. Breathe into your lower back. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders. Breathing. Breathing. Slowly curl up, and let's go to a sitting posture, Paschimottanasana. Now sit comfortably with your feet together, sitting tall. Reach your arms up. Inhale. As we exhale, fold forward, reaching far, and bring your abdomen closer to your thighs. Practice at your own pace. If you are comfortable, you can lower your elbows down beside your legs. Continue to stretch through your heels and breathe deeply into your lower back. And exhale, release the back of the thighs into the mat. If there is tightness, just go at a comfortable pace and continue to focus on your breathing, stretching the back part of the body. Inhale, reaching all the way up, sitting tall. Exhale, release the hands. Let's prepare for counter stretch. Hands behind, feet together. Inhale, lift the hips up, chest up, and look back. Take a deep breath here, and exhale, slowly look forward and return to the first position. Now slowly come up to a standing position. Standing in Tadasana, feet apart, looking far. Okay, so we're going to lift the hands up. Okay, slowly shift the weight to your toes, raise your heels up. Feel very tall. And as we exhale, slowly bend the knees. Slowly lowering down. You can always have the heels down, not a problem. Slowly sit down and slowly lie down. Let's rest here for a moment. So feet apart, palms apart, rest in Savasana, corpse pose. Relax your facial muscles and relax your body completely. As we inhale, abdomen up, and as we exhale, abdomen sinking. So let's start by relaxing our toes, heels, calves, and relax our knees, thighs, hips. Relax our buttocks, lower back, middle back, and upper back. Relax our abdomen, chest, and shoulders. Relax. Relax our fingers, hands, and our arms. Relax our neck, jaw, facial muscles, and our scalp. Relax. Relaxing all our internal organs. Relaxing every single cell in our body. Keeping the mind calm, body completely relaxed. Just for this moment, be away from our thoughts. Just feeling each inhalation and exhalation. Relax. 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 Slowly take a deep inhalation and long exhalation. Gently wriggle your toes, your fingers. Bring your feet together, arms up over your head. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release the hands. Bend your knees to the side and stay here for one deep breath. Gently push yourself off the mat and come up to a sitting position. Let's sit tall, hands in Mudra, and your legs cross-legged in a comfortable sitting posture. Eyes closed. Let's end the class with a short chant. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Bolo Satguru Maharaja Ki Jai. Namaste.